Alright, so we're back on meatazooa, animal number 1102. So it includes all animals. Let's begin our guess with a cat. Amniota. Amniotes are tetrapod vertebrate animals belonging to the clade Amniota, a large group that comprises the vast majority of living terrestrial and semi-aquatic vertebrates. So this is going to be like birds, reptiles, but it's not going to be amphibians. So let's try bird. Australaves. So australaves is a clade of birds defined in 2012 consisting of basically falcons, parrots, and other. So let's try a parrot. Parrot. Yep, the answer is a gray parrot, so